Hmm?
I want some candies and money. Because why are you smoking on the table?
Natural ice.
Oh, you want mine?
Huh?
He's on live.
Big. Hey, Isaac graduated City University of
That didn't graduate.
Missouri.
I'm certified, bro.
Professional.
He was a PMH.
That's my friend.
Wow. Those candies are good.
Congratulations, man. Got out of the
That's my
bin.
friend.
I got all hard, bro.
Are we gonna eat after this?
Yeah. Can you tell some
What's gonna go on? What's going on after this?
Hmm?
Are we going? Don't show me the camera. You don't. You can't record me without my consent.
Yeah. Hey, I'm over here.
As I was saying, are we going to eat somewhere after this? Like, what are we doing after this?
Go home sleep.
Go home and sleep. Seriously, I'm hungry. I want to go eat like I want to go eat at like a fast. I'm hungry. Spit my gum out. I stole some ice cream.
Mama is crying.
Huh?
Mama,
He's calling?
she's crying.
Oh. Yep.
Can I have my phone? Where's my phone?
Oh, it's wallet.
Neto kasi raro bonom kabong ngidot ka viewers. Kalau kapan? Aiweii sih, saya gor girin.
I just want to say, thank you. Thank you to, all the families all around the world. Most especially to the fans.
Yeah.
You really know how to do it.
Like and subscribe.
Come back again. We'll be here for next chapter. Oh man. Okay, I put a message in there.
Hmm. Okay.
Ain't no better day than this. I want to tell the whole world, please don't worry about the things that doesn't happen yet, because I used to worry for little things, and now when I look back, it wasn't worth it. So God got us, and He know the right time, and today is a beautiful day. And when I think why I was worried, it was for nothing. Thank you, Lord. Today is a blessing day, and I'm here with all my family, and it's a beautiful day. God bless you guys, and never worry about nothing. God got you.
All right.
Yeah.
Bars.
Hello.
Good night.
Wow.
Beautiful black queens. they heard me?
Yeah.
Must have made their night, huh? Anyways.
Hey, my fever went away. I was sick today, Isa. Like my bone hurt, my joint hurt, and I was sweating. And now I feel good. It went away.
Did you just get out from work or?
Huh?
You just get out from work and
Yeah. Yeah.
There's only some.
Friday is the
What happened?
only day
I'm
that I
hungry.
work a
You
lot.
hungry?
But the
I'm
rest of
actually
the week,
hungry.
it's easy.
I'm hungry. I'm actually hungry. Can we go somewhere to eat?
Yeah.
Maar je karateren zonder me. Je naar een zonder me, Chris. Oh, je naar?
Hello?
Huh? Oh.
No, we're here. They said there's too many people over there.
Better.
I already know you. Boo boo.
Huh?
This girl, she said she want us to go in.
She want us to go in there?
Mm-hmm.
How about the front, right there?
We're over here on the side by the parking lot.
how about they come out so we can go eat?
Yeah.
Where is Samaya? Where is Samaya?
Isa, can you do this? Can you do the Brazilian dance?
I see you. You right there. Hey,
Pause.
here, look. Hey, turn around to the other side. Turn. Right here.
I'm hungry.
Yes, at the church, Rachel. Why is you out here with all these uncles? I'm hungry.
We're ready to go eat.
Okay. No, you guys don't need to eat. Come on, at the church.
With all the unks.
Let's go. Let's go to church. Samaya wants to take a picture of you.
She told all of you guys.
She was like, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
Samaya.
Aaliyah.
Samaya.
Why she don't come over here?
Because everyone is surrounding her. Like, where is she gonna... You're walking slow.
Excuse you.
No, you're not.
Ew. I'm really hungry. I'm hungry. Like, I'm actually starving. I can't even eat. Julian,
Where is she? Where is she?
over there running.
The boy, Abby?
Yeah, book.
A long time.
Yeah, what? Sometime. But you will go to town with you.
Hey, boo.
I was sick. Whatever I want to do.
That's how well.
Yeah. Yeah, whatever I was so good. Deve parar de gato, pode tirar para lá. Eu até se pago também como ele só por ele. Ele pegar eu puto. Não vou botar até o outro. Não é só para se dividir. Era pouco, filho.
Ako, paano ba?
Começaram era pouco, filho, do interpret. Eu estava estudando uma vez de espécie.
Happy, are we going yet?
Yeah, really want to take it. Oh. Nah, weet ik zie je weer wat.
Uncle Boo.
She graduated! She graduated!
Are you gonna put that on me?
Next one.
No.
Come take a picture.
Bro, he's
Rachel, where's your phone?
Come on, you look. That's it.
Take a picture.
Wait, get together.
This is sama na.
My phone's dead.
Lighting, lighting!
Teka lang.